At the end of a private road in the hills of Santa Rosa Palm Desert, the modernist Kawish Court House is situated next to a rocky desert slope and a lush green golf course. Occupying this secluded corner, the house is embraced as a visual extension of the rocky mountainous slope firmly nestled against its back. In this context, immersive landscaping has been created in reverence to the larger desert landscape. Two courtyards act as the central axis of the house. In the entrance courtyard, landscaping also took into account the context of the site. The house program is segmented into smaller components, akin to branches, organized by the central courtyard axis. On the left lies the garage volume, and on the right, a large volume decomposed into private spaces at the ends and the social area in the middle. The program was organized in a formal, modern, and rectangular manner so that the main room had unobstructed views of the mountain. Internally, views of the mountains to the south and north are highlighted by clerestory windows. Both architectural finishes and furniture take a more relaxed approach, incorporating brushed limestone floors, warm hemlock wood ceilings, combined with leathers, woven fabrics, and matte wood grain finishes. The scale of the house provided the perfect backdrop for the diverse art collection to be appreciated up close and from afar, while playing with the changing desert light throughout the day. Sustainability was optimized by positioning the long wings of the plan along the east-west axis, with glazing to the north and well-shaded to the south, avoiding the heat and glare that come with eastern and western glazing. A terrace adjacent to the social area separates it from the main suite. Selected finishing materials provide warmth, texture, and color to the house, complementing and contrasting with the skyscraper living of the Chicago owners, who were seeking an escape from the city's cold and gray climate in favor of warmer environments, embracing the California desert and its natural landscape for their new home. Courtyards, a timeless desert organizational strategy, were used here to create clarity in the program, providing microclimates for visual and thermal comfort. The inner courtyard is appreciated from various angles within the house. In this volume lie the guest bedrooms, media room, and gym,